Very quick little pit stop here at Rogers Pass. Stopped here many times before, but Ruben and I needed a little break to stretch our legs. Kind of halfway in between Golden and Revelstoke. Yeah, check out these views. Not bad at all. I like it. Loud with the trucks. Holy cow. Alright, we're going back to Revelstoke. I'm finally getting my windshield replaced tomorrow. That's actually my first one in 6.5 years, so not bad. There is lots of cracks in it, although. Yeah, an old avalanche gun. Alright, we'll see you soon. What's up, guys? Well, we're back in Revy. I got my windshield replaced. No more cracks. No stone chips, no nothing, which is great. It felt weird to drive it the first time. Felt like I was missing something in the van when I was looking around going, something's missing. It's the cracks. Yeah, so anyhow, I ran into a predicament. So I'm turning 60 in February, and my Ontario license is going to expire in February of 2024, so I'm not going back to Ontario. So I just figured I'd switch all my stuff over to BC since I'm eventually moving here anyway. And so I had to take my vehicle in for certification, thinking it would pass with all the work that just got done on it, the brakes and extra, etc. and so on. And no, it failed. Holy cow, there was a whole list of stuff. They originally said that there was a coolant leak, which was just ended up being the residual coolant that fell off when I replaced the bottle a few weeks ago. Thank goodness. They did pressure test it and everything, so there isn't a coolant leak. In BC, you can't have tint on your front driver and passenger side windows. So I had to remove that with a razor blade and nail polish remover to get all the tacky stuff off. That was a pain in the butt. And I had tinted my overhead lights as well. Can't do that either. So I had to order new lights. So I just ordered some off Amazon. I just replaced them yesterday. So all those 5 lights up there are all brand new LEDs. What else? My license plate didn't work, but that was an easy fix. Just because my license plate is on the back of my spare tire here, and it wasn't. Oh, Wilma, you tough girl! It just wasn't plugged into the trailer hitch down there. So that was a nice easy fix anyway. Uma, stop. Yeah, so something else I've been doing, I've been fiddling with the locking mechanism on here, or the latches. And what I did do originally was take this bottom latch, and I moved it all the way back, thinking that would suck everything in, and move this latch quite a ways in as well. Thinking that would bring this door closer to create that tight seal down there, since I was getting all that dust in the Yukon I was getting on my bed, and I was getting water leaks coming through the top. And even yesterday morning when I woke up, I could see daylight through the gap like up here, so I knew something wasn't fitting right. So I switched it around. If any have a ProMaster and have fiddled with this, I moved this further that way to sort of level out the door, because I guess it was tilted. I guess the door was tilted this way too much, creating that gap up there. So I sucked it in, that seemed to level it out. And then this latch I moved a little bit further in. And now, when I close this, I seem to get a really nice tight seal down here. Before, you could always see that seal there moving back and forth, but yeah, everything's fitting nice and tight there. So that's a good thing. Oh yeah, replaced my bearings for getting a little squeaky in this hinge mechanism. So that's replaced. That doesn't make any noise anymore. I got some my Tuk 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 sticker on there after cleaning it off the other day. Holy cow, I spent I don't know how many washes cleaning the roof off there underneath the solar panels and everything. That was a lot of work. There was a lot of mud and muck up there, that's for sure. And yeah, every time it rained, it just came down on the van, so that's why it was getting dirty so quickly. So yeah, she looks a lot cleaner now, that's for sure. What else? Have you been chewing on that big log? I'm gonna leave it. What else? Oh, my rear brake pad sensor had broken off. Maybe that was the scraping noise that I heard on my brakes. I really don't know, but so that has to be replaced. Just my brake pads have to be replaced, which is fine. It's not expensive for the brake pads. I found another issue with the engine, unfortunately. Hold on, let me open up the hood here. Can I do it with you guys? So yeah, everything was doing well, except you really can't see back there. But they originally thought I had a transmission leak as well, after just getting the flex plate done. So it's not a transmission leak. Apparently it's my air cooler, oil cooler leak. So it's leaking oil all over the back of the engine. So it's another expensive fix, since they have to take the intake manifold off and stuff to get to it. What a pain in the butt. So I'm supposed to have a Heimer meetup this week. That's my van, is a Heimer Active. And I don't know if I'm going to go. It's like almost 6-hour drive from here and 6 hours back, right? So I really don't know if I'm going to do it. But I'm hoping to anyway. I'm just, as long as I haven't lost too much oil. So that's where we're at. I got to change my license and health card and everything over. I've already done that, but now I got to get my BC plates and insurance switched over. What a pain in the butt. Reality sucks. I like just playing in the bush. So yeah, I saw the optometrist, got new glasses ordered. Who cares, right? Whatever. Yeah, there's a wasp on the phone right now. So yeah, I got to get that fixed. That's not being fixed till the week after next, since this is Labor Day weekend. I can't believe it's freaking September already. This is crazy. I leave for the US in like 6 weeks. Boom, that was quick. So yeah, at least the vehicle's gonna be in good shape after all these fixes and everything. Hopefully I'm not leaking oil or anything after this matter. It's just, I've had enough. Spent enough too, holy cow. So yeah, that's what I gotta do. Get everything fixed and carry on. nothing I can really do about it now since I can't go back to Ontario, like I said, for my license and insurance and everything. So, yeah, hopefully I get everything else done. I'm a little worried about driving that 6 hours, and if I get a stone chip or a crack, I'm going to have to replace the frickin' windshield again. So, it is what it is. It's all part of the adventure, right? Yeah, that's where we're at. I don't know where I'm going from here, but I can't believe it's September already. Long weekend, so can't do much this weekend. And yeah, the place that's going to fix my car is busy next week, so it's the week after next. And that's it. That's the only update I got for you guys now. Just a quick little video of what's going on. I wasn't even going to post a video this week, but I thought I'd better update you guys and let you know what's going on. Crazy. Didn't even think about my license, Ontario license changing and everything. So now I was in panic mode this week trying to switch everything over, thinking this would be the easiest route to go, but now it's not so easy and not so cheap either. Oops. Oh well. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. Continue the story next time. And we'll see you guys later. Take care, guys. Bye.